Now it took time for me to know what you tried so not to show. There's something in my soul just cried. I see the want in your blue eyes. Baby, I love you to want me.
Hi, ganito ang trabaho namin sa construction. Buhay construction, mahirap na masaya. Yes, mahirap dahil umaraw o gumagyo, kailangan mapasukan ka. Labor ka man, karpintero, mason, steelman, o tagahalo ng simento, pari-parihong maalikabok at madumi ang paligid mo. Walang disenteng higaan,